talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. But she need down the ride, oh I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is JH. How y'all doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Everybody clean? Are you crisp? Are you feeling irie today? Yes, indeed. Let's talk. Last few videos, I was showing people recording our postal family. One guy beating up somebody up in Jamlando. Somebody acting silly down in Miami. That's 2 instances in Florida, ain't that something? And then another one that was out there in the Midwest or West Side, coasting, and was getting screamed at for playing football with somebody's packages. So after all of this has been happening, and there's plenty more. I was just looking some stuff up today where a mail truck backed up into somebody's truck and then the guy took off. I saw the video and it is on YouTube. You can check it out. I think it just posted like yesterday or today. And the lady was like, yeah, you know, and he just took off. And I was like, man, that did suck. And then I saw her vehicle. And she lives in a nice house. I want you to look at it from this perspective. I don't know why the vehicle was parked across the street, but it's a really nice neighborhood. And it's really big houses, but her vehicle is the only vehicle parked across the street, literally inches from the cluster box. You look at the video and you see it, and she's across the street. She got the video. Why aren't you parked in your damn driveway? But you know what? I'm not a carrier, so that's not my argument. But I'm thinking, like, there's nobody else on that side. Bruh. People do this just to get reactions. So after all these things, and it was literally after one of my videos, I get an email and they have a mandatory stand-up talk. Now, of course, every single postal worker gets this mandatory stand-up talk, right? Okay, if you didn't, I'm not representing the post office, just before anybody says, hey, you know, no, I'm not representing the post office, but I'm gonna tell you what it says, because all the comments in one of my videos was like, hey, you ain't supposed to record, and aren't they not supposed to record? And this actually clears the air. So I'm gonna read what they told us, basically. So it's not that I'm misrepresenting. Anyway, law. Refrain, report, and resume. Protect yourself, protect the Postal Service, and protect the brand. In today's digital world, roughly 80% of Americans own a smartphone. This means, I can't not look at the camera. I'm trying, bear with me. Santa glasses on. This also means individuals have the ability to film postal employees and our postal facilities. So yes, they can. In many places, we've seen instances of individuals filming outside our postal facilities. It appears some of these people are now moving inside to our postal lobbies, capturing video and photos of activities there. I've seen this. This one guy just goes in and antagonizes people. I went back and forth with him. I'm like, don't you got a job, bro? Like, I'm doing public service. You shut up. What public service are you? Anyway. This action is occurring around the country and involves a wider group espousing, I guess it's supposed to be exposing, yeah, this word, espousing First Amendment rights, especially around government buildings such as post offices. Here are the guidelines to follow if you see someone filming at a postal facility, either outside or inside the facility. This is for everybody, really, because this is going to managers, and they're supposed to talk to the clerks and to everybody, really, carriers. Just remember the 3 R's. Refrain, report, resume. 3 simple steps. Refrain. Simply put, don't take the bait. That's a hard one for Jay, boy. The goal of this group is to elicit a response from postal employees or managers, law enforcement, and others in order to record videos of confrontations and post them on social media sites. I get that. They like to, cause controversy. Y'all like controversy. So that's kind of what it is. They want to get views. No one, retail clerks, supervisors, managers, or postmasters should approach these individuals. Okay. Do not, here goes. This is it. This was what sparked my interest. Do not insist they stop filming or state that they are in violation of the law. Do not ask their name or who they represent. Do not demand they leave premises. Do not engage in a debate with them or answer any questions they may ask you. Employees should avoid using their own personal smartphones to record any interactions. I don't know about that one. I mean, this is what this says, but I gotta protect me because they can edit their videos. A lot of them will do that. They edit their videos and say, hey, this is what happened. I'm gonna be like, nah, dog, this is what really happened, dog. This dude spit at me over the counter and he edited that part. And this is what happened. Yes, I proceeded to whoopeth his asseth. That's what happened. But no one saw him spit that loogie at me. I'm telling you, I'm trying to be, funny. I know you guys see me smiling. But no, seriously, man, you got to protect yourself. So although this says this, follow this for whatever it means. Report. Immediately report any individuals filming in or around the facility. Craft employees who observe this behavior should notify their supervisor or manager. So on the clerk's side, and I know so many clerks, they got that little bell, bring, or they can supervisors come up to the window and supervisors be in la-la land in the back, just be in their zone. They'll be in the back filing their nails, knowing that somebody up there stressing, they don't respond as much. That's truth. I've seen it. I'm going to stations to pick some stuff up and I hear them calling and the supervisor be over there scrolling through Amazon and stuff, ordering more stuff to stress us out. So I says report to the, notify the supervisor and management. Management employees should immediately call the inspection service hotline. The inspection service, all right? Calls to local law enforcement should only be made if the person is interfering with operations or if immediate safety or security concerns arise. You guys know the inspection service hotline, right? I'm assuming, because 95% of the time it's on the back of your badges. If not, it's on your time card. But if you don't, it's 877-876-2455. That's the inspection service hotline. Don't go calling them to mess with them, man, because it just don't make no sense. Resume. All employees should resume their normal duties, ignoring any individuals filming in a lobby or outside a facility, and instead let law enforcement handle the situation. Law enforcement has the lead, so be sure to simply observe, report, and wait for help to arrive. The safety and well-being of employees and customers is of primary importance. Follow these guidelines. Refrain from interacting, report any instances immediately, and resume your normal work duties. I get it. I mean, it sounds good. And I mean, I agree with it too. I don't know if I could do that though. Like that would, somebody shoving a phone in my face or, badgering me. Cause this is the day and age of people just picking at people. Anyway, what do you think? Also, for all you carriers out there, just remember, they shove a camera or they act like they're recording you. They're recording you anyway. They got the doorbell cams. They got the, the spot cams on the roof. So the egg cam, I don't know what the hell them cams are, but you can't really stop them from recording walking to their door on their property. So be cautious of how you guys crashing into their mailboxes, because man, there's a plethora of videos, and all the videos that I show a ton of videos in my defensive driving courses, and they're from everybody's doorbell cam basically. So all the bad activities you guys are doing is caught on camera, and then you'll be one of the stars in my class. So don't be that person. With that being said, this is interesting. I think. What's your opinion behind it? You know, this Jay just chopping it up. I gave my little opinion. There's no jab at supervisors, but y'all already know if you are a supervisor at a station, y'all be in la la land. And, you know, clerks, you know, got to keep a cool head. Easier said than done when you have antagonistic employees like the male and female Karens out there. But, all right, with that, you know, we out. Y'all like the Central Park walk, right? Central Park. I love the Christmas time, as you can clearly see. And I'm just babbling. Get this camera out of my face. Get this.
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. Bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.